Hello guys, welcome to AQ Take. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert chart in Microsoft Word. Insert a chart in Microsoft Word to illustrate and compare the data. So you can explain your expression in better way to make the people understand in easy way. So how we do that? For example, if I go to insert and click on chart, in chart we can see here in the library we have a column chart, line, pie, bar, area, and etc. as per your required. Right now I want to just draw a simple chart from the library like this one, and just click OK, and then now you can see there is Excel sheet just open. We can just put our data as per required. For example, right here I want to just show up the company progress report in 2021. Here it's like the product, and this we just sell a DVD, this one LED, CD, and I just write down a keyboard. Your sale records we want just put here, and you want to change the data here like 100 piece you done, and 200 piece in 2019, and 300 piece, and keyboard, and 150 for this piece, and same here 150, 200, 300, 150, 500, 200, 300, 600. Now you can see the data comparison here. The LED, LCD, and all that. Let me check it to just 350, make it more. Okay, like this, because the same LED also same. Okay, 400, 350, and then just click here. Now if you want to close this, other than double click here, just close it. Now you can see your chart here. I can understand, okay, in 2019 the keyboard I just sell this, okay, below the 200 pieces, and then you can have a quick idea about your sales, to don't need to read all the data. Okay, so just if I want to make more visible, then just click here and then go to format, sorry, layout, and then you may change your data like this and go, or like Gaussian's primary chart and the measure chart like this. Now you can see here the 100 blows in a grid line, but I want more effective design, and then just click here, and then you can any 3D or 2D design like this. Okay, it's the style and design you can see here. Alright, this time I want this one, and then I want to put the data on the top, like I can have the exact idea what how many DVDs we just sold out in 2019, 20, 21. So I can have an idea, but I want to know exact the value, the figure. So just chart layout, go to chart layout, and you can here, like you can see, if you want to put the table in layout 5, you can see here you can read the data, but I don't want that. I just want to put the value on the top of these bars. Just click here, and then you can see the layout 4, we have the values on the top of it. Just click here. Now you can see 600 piece and all that in 2009, 2010, 2019, 20, 21. And then you can see here, if you want to change individually, so you just click here and then double click here, edit the data and go here, and then change 250 to 92. So just close it. Now you can see 292. Make it bigger by just click view and then page width. You can see here. Now you can see 350 changed and all that. If you want to change it in another format, you can just go to layout, so design, and then I want to change the chart type. Click here. I want it into 3D style. You can click here. I want in this style. You can change here. Okay, more chart for the surface. If you understand, understand this chart, because these are okay used for the different purpose in commerce, in maths, in any type of other things. So you can just the candlelight, the commerce, the create block. Okay, the block is not suitable for this, so we cannot have that. Okay, you can change this, and then layout. If you want to change the layout, and I want this layout to be more suitable, but right now we want a simple like this chart. Okay, so, okay, the simple column chart. This is the simple column chart. Just click if you want to do this, and then more change. If you want to line, if you want to pie, if you want to change it into pie, then okay, you can see. Okay, so you can have a pie chart like this. Okay, just okay, you can see here, and change your design for the pie chart. If you want make it difference, and you want to see the percentage on it, you can see here in the percentage, even 15, 20, 26% LCD, 20, 25%. The bigger person is actually 34 LED. You most sell LEDs. Okay, so you can have the chart layouts here, and as per required, you can see here. And if you want to change, if you want to edit data, okay, first let me check it into simple. Okay, like this and this. Okay, and then I want to this table format like this. This one, the series, actually we have series in 2010, 2011 and all that. It's now in the series, so you just go there, edit text, edit, and then you have the series is actually 2019, 2020 and 2021. This was just the series would be changing this, and then go to view and page layout. Now you can see here the chart title if you want to sales. Okay, so you can change it sales. Format, if you want to make a background and all that, you can do that. Other than you just go to design and change your design into any style like this, and make it change more into change and all that. You just learn about it. Chart type or all that, surface, bubble, dot, line, and all sort of chart available here. So you can just select any chart here like this. So hope you understand how to insert different chart in Microsoft Word to explain things in better way, to make people understand. So people don't have time to read all the data, so they can have idea about your sales, your progress and all that. So we actually put this sort of chart in our document, so overall progress you can see easily. Thank you very much.